Hey guys, what's going on? It's Edward with Crypto University. We're going to be talking about transferring coins and using the proper network. So a lot of users are having trouble sending coin over the proper network. We're going to take a look at some of the common coins and what networks to use whenever you're sending them. We're also going to talk about a couple different networks and how they can be beneficial for you to use. So first and foremost, we have the BTC network. This is good old Bitcoin. If you're going to be using Bitcoin to send to somebody else, you need to make sure that you have their BTC address here. You will find the address that you want to send to. You can copy and paste it or write it down, but be sure to double and triple check it digit by digit, number and letter by number and letter. Make sure it is proper 2 or 3 times before you decide to go through with it. And again, if it's on Bitcoin, then you're going to choose the BTC network. Now this is on Binance, so depending upon your interface, it might be a little bit different. You might see an option like SegWit. If you're using something like Litecoin, there's SegWit option for that too. But in most cases, you're not going to be prompted for that. If you're using Bitcoin, use the BTC network. We're going to talk about ETH, good old Ethereum. Now, there's a lot of coins that work on the Ethereum network, right, on the ERC20 network. So any token that is built on Ethereum's network or Ethereum protocol, like USDC, US dollar coin, we get that question a lot. US dollar coin is an ERC20 token. So you need to make sure that you're using ERC20 network if you want to send USDC coin, right? And that's going to be a little bit more expensive. That's just the Ethereum fee. That's the Ethereum network fee. It's going to be more pricey in different scenarios. If you're using same thing like Ethereum, it's going to be using the ERC20 network, and that fee would be $16.84 right now. So moving forward, if you wanted to use Litecoin, this is a very cheap and inexpensive way to send money to and from. So now that you've selected Litecoin, you see the Litecoin transfer network available. So that would be the transfer option. It would currently cost 23 cents to send some Litecoin to somebody. There's more options. Tron is another great cost efficient way to send money to and from. Current cost of Tron is 12 cents. So right now it costs 1 TRX to send over the TRC20 network for Tron. You can get money sent to and from for 12 cents right now, right? Got to withdraw at least 2, so you can send a very small amount of money to somebody here. BCH is another great way to send money in a cost efficient manner. So now you can see the BCH network's populated, 66 cents to transfer BCH. If you want to send good old BNB to somebody, well, you can use the Binance chain, BEP2, for 8 cents. You can get some BNB across the way and send it to wherever you need. Now there's going to be a memo here. For some coins, you'll need to make sure that you have not only the address, but the memo as well. The same should go for XRP, but let's see. This is withdrawals might be suspended there. Nope. So now we have XRP, and we have, instead of a memo, we'll have the tag. So you need to make sure that you get the tag from the XRP address as well. And you can send some XRP right now for 27 cents. So there you go. There's a lot of different coins that you can send, and whichever one you're going to send, of course, you need to do some research. Just a simple back check on it to see what chain it might be using. If it's not in plain text, usually it'll have the ticker right there. But like for some of them, it might not tell you what you're going to need to use. Like here, YFI didn't auto-populate. So you would need to know a little bit more about YFI's backstory in order to choose the proper network if you don't know off the top of your head. And just for another example, if I pull up onto Theta, Theta is going to give me one option. It's going to delete every other option. So some coins actually have the ability to use multiple networks. You just need to make sure that the sending network and receiving network are the same network. Using the network that is prompted is usually the best option. Just for another example, if I pull up onto Zcash, because I know Zcash has its own network, as soon as I can find it, There you go. So you have the option to send Zcash over multiple chains. I would use Zcash because it's reliable, and you make sure that if the recipient Zcash address is also on the Zcash network, you should not have any issues. And that should go for most all the coins. If you make sure that the recipient address is on the same network, you won't have any problems. Don't try to send Bitcoin over Ethereum network. Don't try to send Ethereum over Bitcoin network. Don't try to be cheap. If you don't want to pay Ethereum transfer fees, pick a different coin. You don't have to use USDC. You don't have to use Ethereum. Those are both ERC20 tokens. Just use LTC on LTC network. It's very cheap. Or any of the other coins that I have mentioned in this video. So please don't send your coins into oblivion. And I hope this was helpful, and thank you all for watching.